Everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have an iPhone 14 Pro, very beautiful purple one. Today we're going to show you how to change the screen lock time. So this is how quickly the screen will basically dim and then lock if you don't touch the phone. So the default when you open it out of the box is 30 seconds, which is a little bit too fast. So if you want to adjust that, go to the settings menu and then you want to look for display and brightness. It's a few down from general, a few down from the top. So basically one section, two section, three sections down, display and brightness. Here's where you can actually set light mode, dark mode, etc. But what you want to look for is auto lock. And you have a couple preset choices here. And 30 seconds is the default. That's a little too short. Probably like 1 or 2 minutes is a good idea. 5 minutes is a little dangerous, and never is super dangerous, because that means that basically if you don't remember to lock your phone, anyone who comes in 5 minutes or maybe longer, if you set it to never, can just pick up your phone and then like disable that. So in other words, you've left the phone unlocked for them and they can go in and read your email and maybe change a few things and send some messages in your name. So definitely be careful about setting it too long. Basically never set it to never. It's just a bad idea. Okay, so that's basically it on how to adjust the screen lock time here on the iPhone 14 Pro. See you guys next time here on HowTechs. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have a hot off the presses iPhone 13 Pro Max dual physical SIM Hong Kong version. And today I'm going to show you how to insert and